Fucking Alt F4.
Trying to start the lawnmower. Jesus Christ.
The chainsaw.
Also, Vixenity, how come you asked me for help on something? Well, it was like audio for your streaming, but like you never responded after that.
I hate this Angel Salad map, it's fucking shit.
You gonna grind for a pass on it?
I was going to before, but it's just dog shit.
Well, I don't really care about it
I mean,
now.
one of the skill sets is praying, so I mean, if you can pray well, you can get a good pass.
Damn.
Please stop playing this map.
Yeah, that map's just fucking god awful.
It's not even nice to look at people play it. It's not even like, this shit wouldn't even like get views.
It's cool. It's a cool map. It's a cool map.
Oh wait,
don't
I
get
just
me
got
wrong,
like
but,
a decent pass with decent ag. And I don't even like play lock. Wait, I might upload this.
Yeah, now let me judge it.
Yeah, I'm gonna upload that actually. Let me clip that.